Simple woodworking projects for home decor that can also be sold quickly. 1. Rustic wooden shelves. Creating rustic wooden shelves is an excellent project for beginners. These shelves can be made from reclaimed wood or inexpensive lumber, and they add character to any room. Start by cutting the wood to your desired length, sanding it down, and applying a stain or paint for a polished look. Once assembled, these shelves can be marketed as stylish storage solutions for homes looking to enhance their decor. They are easy to ship and can be sold at local craft fairs or online platforms. 2. Decorative wooden signs. Personalized wooden signs have become a popular trend in home decor. Beginners can easily craft these using wood boards and stencils. You can paint inspirational quotes, family names, or home addresses on the signs. This project allows for creativity, as you can choose different fonts and colors to suit various tastes. Once completed, these signs can be sold online or at local markets, making them an attractive option for quick sales. 3. Simple picture frames. Making custom picture frames is another straightforward woodworking project. With just a few cuts of wood and some basic tools, you can create frames that fit any size photo. Experiment with different designs, such as distressed finishes or modern styles. These frames not only enhance the aesthetic of any picture, but also serve as great gifts. They are easy to sell at craft shows or online, especially during seasonal events. 4. Plant stands. With the rise of indoor gardening, plant stands have become highly sought after. Crafting simple wooden plant stands can be a rewarding project for beginners. Use basic woodworking techniques to create stands that can hold various sizes of pots. You can personalize these stands with unique designs or finishes to attract buyers. They can be marketed to plant enthusiasts looking to elevate their greenery and style. 5. Wooden coasters. Creating wooden coasters is a quick project that requires minimal materials. Cut pieces of wood into uniform squares or circles, then sand them down and apply a protective finish. You can even customize them by adding designs or engravings. These coasters make great functional decor items and are perfect for gift giving. They can be sold individually or in sets, making them an appealing choice for quick sales. 6. Simple candle holders. Candle holders are a popular decor item that can be easily made from wood. Start with small blocks or branches, then drill holes to fit tea lights or taper candles. You can paint or stain them to match various decor styles. These candle holders not only serve a practical purpose, but also add warmth to any space. They are ideal for selling at craft fairs, online shops, or even local boutiques, making them a great choice for beginners looking to turn a quick profit.